All right, everybody. So this is almost like part two of the geographic landforms identification assignment. Now you're going to take that identification that you did the last assignment, and you're going to actually start applying it and identifying it on real images. These images are going to be revisited when we're looking at regions throughout North America. There are a couple of different ways you can do this. One of the tools that I want to encourage you to remember that you have is the one you used the last assignment. What I specifically did, I was able to manipulate this a little bit on my computer, but I cropped it so that all I'm looking at is this, just the picture. And again, this is just for reference because you've already done the identification work, so this is just for a little bit of reference. Now, also with this assignment, you're not going to get every single image, but you should be able to get, or you're not going to get every single landform that's there, but at the very least, you should still be able to get a few of them. Okay. Again, this is just practice. This is just practice for identifying various landforms within one geographic landscape. So something, for instance, that I would use with this one, and there are a couple of different ways you can do it. You're going to submit this attachment. So all of these slides, you're going to resubmit back to me when you're completely finished. So what you might do is in the footnotes section, as you can see here, I see icebergs, little mini ones. I definitely see a cliff. And I would say that this could possibly be a sea, or it could be a lake, or um, it could possibly be an ocean. This right here leads me to believe maybe a little bit of a bay or a gulf. Again, you're just taking things that you identified last class. So a lake. This could even be a reservoir. The cliff that you see, maybe this is a knob. Okay. Forest. That's another one. So do you see how I'm using the tools that I'm already familiar with? And I'm trying to be as complete as possible. You can do it that way. You can write it in the notes section, or if you want to ensure that your teacher sees it, you could actually make a box somewhere on the slide. And I'm going to actually change the background just to white. And then I'm going to adjust where the cursor is. But maybe you do it this way. So you are going to want to do this with every single image that you have here. And again, these images right here, these will come up sometime later in the year. So identifying identifying the landforms within is going to benefit you later on. So make sure that you take this seriously. And remember, what you did the last time has already given you some familiarity with what those images are to begin with. Whoops, excuse me. So guys, last assignment, the landform identification, you already used this tool right here. And now you're simply taking it a step further and you're actually applying it to real life images. For the most part, they seem like they're clear enough. If you're having difficulty with some, do your very, very best. Have fun with it though, and let me know how I can help you.